touch your toes. Yes, I can, yes, I can, yes, I can. I have 2 knees, can you touch your knees? No, I cannot. No, I cannot.
Senior Build-A-Cater at KidKraft with some insider assembly tips for your KidKraft products. This is Crafting with Kyle. At KidKraft, we pack our products pretty tight to make shipping easy and inexpensive, but that also means that they can look pretty intimidating out of the box. But don't worry, today we have a few general tips to make life a little easier on you. Now before you start assembling the item, remember to completely remove all the parts from the box and lay them out, and check them versus the inventory list to make sure that you have everything that you need. Use the top of the box to put the styrofoam and other packing material into. Also remember to check all the small boxes and furniture to ensure that there's no parts packed inside to save space. Now your assembly instructions include a batch code here. Now this is your lifeline when you call customer service to reference your product. Now you're going to need this number, so do not lose it. Now we suggest that you don't fully tighten these screws or bolts until you've completely assembled the item. This allows for an easier alignment of parts as well as to backtrack if you've made a mistake. Now we suggest to never use power tools. They can easily strip or crack your product, and that is bad. Now some of these screws are a little difficult to insert into the wood, but if you take just the very tip of it and dip it into dishwashing liquid, it'll be a lot easier to get in. Now remember, these are just some general assembly tips. Every KidKraft product is unique, so subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips. And to find more out about KidKraft, browse our full line of products, visit KidKraft.com. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and share it. Or, better yet, just tell us of your KidKraft experience in the comments below. Watch out for the rest of our assembly series, and until next time, this is Kyle signing off. And as always, stay crafty.
Step into wonder with the grand walk-in kitchen and grill. This large play kitchen set is big enough for multiple cooks. With detailed stainless steel-like appliances throughout the 3-sided play area, cooking surfaces that come alive with bubbling, sizzling sounds, and their own grill to entertain at pretend cookouts. The extra-large countertop encourages collaborative meal prep with plenty of shareable utensils and lots of storage space for easy cleanup. It's the hottest spot for pretend gourmet gatherings. The grand walk-in kitchen and grill by Step 2. Step into childhood.
Ba-da-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-dum, bum, bum, bum.